Hey, this is Divan Sharma, and right now, uh, like I'm feeling so damn high these days, and especially today, right now, in this moment, you know, because well, I just had an like epiphany to talk about like a thing that was like I was on my way towards my home, and right here you can look at it. So I just thought let's talk about something, and that epiphany was about like chaos. Yeah, because since like eons when like all those big bang theories and all those things that's happened to us, and yeah, and all those like law of thermodynamics and all those chaos theories and all those things, it's like that these are some dope stuffs that people don't literally talk about all these kind of things, but I just genuinely think that these are the things that particularly to me, these are the things that that I'm interested in, all those physics, quantum physics and all those kind of things, like uh like OGs of like all those theories. I'm not just all about theories. I'm also like I'm more into like practical stuff. I'm only sharing the things. I'm not hearing it from somebody else, like all those kind of things, and I'm just regurgitating all this information in your fucking face. I'm just experiencing all these things in my life and in like uh in myself, and uh I'm just delivering, like spitting it out on your face, because yeah, this is all coming from my experience that I'm experiencing right now. I'm not the kind of person that who's like reading like hundreds of articles on like, yeah, I do read those things and I do watch the videos and I do learn, I do all those kind of things, but I'm not those kind of people who just regurgitate all those information on your fucking face, because you know. So I was just talking about like chaos theory, and I was just on my way towards my home, and I just thought these things were just popping on inside my mind, and I just thought let's talk about it right now, because look at like the weather today and all these like all this breeze that's touching my face. I'm just feeling it like it's amazing right now, guys. So yeah, so I had to talk about it, the chaos theory and all those things, because you know what, does not matter how orderly your life is, how organized your life is right now. I'm talking about in every aspect of your life, okay. I'm not particularly talking about your job, your business, your like and whatsoever, whatever going on in your life, because the thing about like chaos theory is that like the second law of thermodynamics, it's not only tailored to the universe, like and all those things, like all those galaxies, stars are just moving apart from each other, but the thing, it also it happens to our lives also. When we like the chaos theory says that when we stop putting energy and effort to something, okay, or like the or since like big bang theory has happened, everything is just moving apart from each other, like all these planets are just going away from each other. It's like expansion of like balloon, since like there's comparison that's been made like to the expansion of balloon to like the universe. So yeah, this is not just applied to the universe, it also applies to our life, like what we are doing these days, and whenever. So whenever we stop putting energy in our life, in everything, okay, what happens is that it just starts to move toward it starts to move like it starts to get chaotic, it starts to get chaotic. It does not matter what it is, okay. So the thing that we should be mindful about is like putting, it does not matter what it is, it's a job, even it's as simple as like your home, your house. When you stop like decorating it, when you stop like do like organizing things, what starts to happen is that everything just starts to look like seem like chaotic within a day or two. So you have to like sweep your house, clean your house, like make your bed every single day, because if you won't do that, what starts to happen is that it starts to like like look like such a chaotic mess. So yeah, you'll have to put that energy. If you're studying, okay, if you aren't revising, if you aren't reciting all those things, it's gonna fall apart, man. Yeah, you're going to lose all those neural pathways that you have built by reading and gaining all those information and organizing all those informations in order. So yeah, so that's it for today. Have a good day. So just remember that thing, like the chaos theory, the second law of thermodynamics. Okay, if you want put effort in anything, it's gonna fall apart. It does not matter what it is. So if you want to keep it in order, you must be willing to like put some effort, put some energy up front, okay, in order for that thing to be in order. You'll have to do it. If you won't do it, just expect the like chaos, mess. And yeah, I know being a man is like, I'm not talking about just a man, I'm also talking about women and all those humanity. If you learn how to sit in uh, chaos and accept it, so if you won't like put in the effort, expect the chaos, expect the mess. And that's what I love about like man. We need to learn to sit still in the chaos. Okay, so have a good day. Bye bye.